just want to speak the name of Jesus.
It's here again. Kingdom Restoration Outreach Center International presents Is It Atai Crusade 2024. Title Fire from Heaven. Ministry Apostle Professor Faith Eden Ozakwe, USA. Apostle Mike Williams, Lagos. Reverend Mike God's Power, Uyo. Reverend Gosfield Edukeri, Uyo. Venue Community Commercial Secondary School, Ikot Akpan Eki, Is It Atai Local Government Area, Akwa Ibom State. Date on Thursday 21st to Saturday 23rd November 2024. Time 4 p.m. daily. Medical outreach is also available with free treatment of malaria fever, typhoid fever, urinary infections, diabetes and hypertension. You are all welcome. Jesus is Lord.